Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare Turkish chocolate cake with caramel sauce. It's super yummy and delicious and super easy. So first let me show you the ingredients that we need, and after that we will start to prepare the recipe. We need oil. By the way, I'm going to list all the ingredients with the measurements down in the description box. Please check it. And we need oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like, cannoli, vegetable, sunflower, anything. So we need milk, we need sugar, flour, we need unsweetened cocoa powder, we need 4 eggs, we need vanilla and baking powder. That's it. So first what I'm going to do, I have this casserole, so I'm going to prepare the cake with the casserole. I'm not going to put any baking paper at the bottom. I'm just going to brush the baking tray with the oil. That's it. Okay, and I'm going to leave this one separate here, and I'm going to start preparing the cake here. First I'm going to add the eggs. Here I washed them. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to mix them until the mixture become fluffy or double size. Okay, here we go. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, and I'm going to add the cocoa powder. I'm going to add the flour, and I'm going to mix the mixture very good. Now we can add the oil and also the milk and mix it. Okay, here we go. So now we just mix the ingredients very good until the mixture soft and smooth. So now I'm going to pour the mixture here in this casserole and then bake it for about 20 minutes or between 20 to 25 minutes. I just preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and I'm going to bake this cake, as I said, between 20 to 25 minutes. And after that I'm going to make caramel and pour it on top of this cake. After that I'm going to show you step by step, and okay guys, in this time I'm going to prepare the cream that I'm going to put it on top and put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do for the caramel, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, and we need 1 cup of milk. I'm going to leave those separate, but before I'm going to prepare the cream, here I have 1 sachet of whipped cream. I just added here 150 ml of milk. I'm going to pour the cream here, or the powder, sorry, and I'm going to make the cream chocolate. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm going to mix them a little bit and then whip them. Okay, cool. Here we go. So I'm going to put the cream in the fridge now, and I'm going to start preparing the caramel. Okay guys, so here we go. In a frying pan I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to stir the sugar until they melt. Okay, so here we melted the sugar. Okay, need a little bit more. Now I'm going to add the milk. Whoops. And then keep mixing them until we have a nice and smooth caramel. Okay guys, so here we go. Now the cake is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this toothpick and then make a small hole inside the cake. Alright, so now I'm going to pour the caramel slowly. Okay. Wow. Now I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and I'm going to decorate the top with the cream. So see you after that. Okay, so now the final step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cream on top of the cake. Here we go. So now what I'm going to do for the final step, I'm going to put the tray or the cake in the fridge for about 1 hour or 2 hours, and then we can serve it. See you after that. Okay guys, now this is after 1 hour in the fridge, so I'm going to cut one piece and show you the cake from inside, how it looks like. Alrighty. That looks so good. Always it's really hard to take the first piece, but I'm going to try my best. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. That looks so beautiful. Look at the cake from inside. It's so moist and so delicious. Okay. Let me try it and taste it. Wow. It's so delicious, so moist. It's not dry at all. With the cream, with the caramel, tastes so yummy. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like this recipe. Try it. And I'm going to say again that I listed the ingredients in the description box down below if you want to give it a try. And by the way, you can just add whatever you want, like fruits or pistachios or anything crushed, or chocolate or anything on top to decorate the top. You can add more stuff if you like. And here we go. So please leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. See you soon. Bye.